Howdy all, Pro Exterior Services here. Just want to do a little quick unboxing with the ionizer kit that I bought from John Lee over at WCR, windowcleaningresources.com. This is, I already got a pole because we use the pole for scrubbing, you know, like agitation. So this is, let's see what we got here. Got some water-fed hose, water-fed pole hose. I think it's 50, 75 foot purple LSU. Go Tigers. What we got here? Oh, invoice. Okay. Invoice. We got what we got here. Oh, look at this. Cool. What is that? What? Must be a little air freshener. All right. What we got here? Oh, this is the kit. Okay. This is the kit that got some pieces and parts in here. Trying to figure this out. So I understand that you need this, this adapter to convert it to Euro threads to put in the pole, and then this adapter screws to this like that. It's adjustable, so you can work them angles. Your piece there. With that piece. And this is a hybrid brush, so you got the nylon and then boar's hair. They say boar's hair is the best, but as you go higher with the boar's hair, they say it's a little tougher because it sticks to the window a lot better. So that's cool. That's cool. And then we got this. So this is what I decided to go with. Let me show you guys. It's just this is per John, Mr. John Lee. Got your filter. Oh, look at that. TDS meter. Little wrench. Nice. So this is it here. Here it is. Boom. It's already filled with the resin, the DI resin. Not nothing in the box. It was good dash, trash. So we're golden. Golden goose. Figure it out. We'll hook a hose to it, do a TDS test, and see what happens. But yeah, it's a pretty simple system. We have soft water here in our region. After talking with John, he's like, look, you can get 6-8 months out of this. It really depends on how much you use it. The more you use it, obviously, the more resin you're going to change. But he says, you know, to start off with, you're trying to break into it because we get requests for window cleaning, but I'm not trying to go inside somebody's house and clean the windows with a squeegee. I don't want to do that. I'll come outside and do a, you know, water-fed pole system. But we're thinking we could just tote this around, hook a, you know, 50, 75 foot hose to it, carry it around, boom. They got the carts too, but I got Tony. He's my cart. All right, guys. We're going to get this set up. Like I said, I think... see, something goes like this. I would imagine, yes sir, this is gonna go in here like so. You got a little valve right there. I do want to put a valve closer to the pole. That way, okay. That way you can, and then this is gonna go on here. This is a little quick connect with a your 5/16 hose is going to go in there. Boom. Anyway, it goes in there, and then your 5/16 hose to your pole, inlet water. That's it. Boom, ready to roll. Zero. All right, guys. So in this bag we also got some silicone for the or no, what is it called? Magic lube for the O-rings. They say anytime you change the resin, you want to grease the O-rings up so they stay in place. And here's a little instruction. So anyway, all right, let me get this hooked up. We'll get some footage, see how it works on my own windows. Catch up. Peace. Hi everybody, I got all the window cleaning stuff just about ready, I think. So here's your brush, dual jet. That's what they call it. This is the adjustable piece. Screws into your brush head. Like this. And in this piece, supposedly, let me show you. So here's the pole that we've been having that we use for just agitation. So this comes out. I'm just going to take this off. And this is a different thread. This is more like a, you know, regular brome thread or something. I don't know what it is exactly, but let me get this off of here. I never took that out before, so that goes out of there. This goes in here. Clamp it down. There you go. Water fed pole set up is done. Okay, what we got in the package here? We got the wrench. Put that in the toolbox. Put that in the toolbox. TDS meter. So let's see. I got some water here, so let's check the TDS. Again, just a little meter. If you can see that. So 145. Test it again. 144. So that's where we at. Okay. Let's dump this out. Let's hook up our hose. So again, it's the first time hooking this up. I can see a quick connect going right here, just for convenience, with the hose. I'm gonna get a dedicated hose. We don't need a big hose, so I'm gonna get a little 5/8 hose. And here's the end of it here. So is what I'm gonna do. So they got that, and then on the output, this is the output here. So you have an on-off here, which is nice. I wish it was closer to the pole, but it's okay. We'll figure that out. And this is a quick connect here, so you can quickly disconnect this. So let's turn that off. Turn the water on. Okay, so it's all hooked up. No leaks here, which is good. Is what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just go ahead and turn it on. Let the water get through the resin before we do a meter test. So, okay, it's pretty good flow, I guess. Still getting the air bubbles out. We'll turn it off for a minute. That's half open. That's fully open. I'm just running it through the resin, letting it build up. I don't know if this is what you're supposed to do, but this is what I'm doing. Seems like we're getting a better stream. A few more air bubbles. You could probably make this. All right, let's do a test. I don't know if it's enough yet. Let's just do a test. All right. Just put that down there. Ooh, well, it looks cloudy. Wow, look at that. 0. Wow, that's quick. Okay. So what we'll do to save the resin, we'll turn that off. So we're golden. Right. So put that aside. Let's hook up the brush. Again, guys, all new to me. I know you're supposed to run this through the pole, but since we use the pole for multiple things for now, I'm just going to stick it in here. Okay, that looks good. Put it right here. So, this is my window. I don't know if you can see the spots on here. It's dirty. I mean, I hardly clean my windows. Screen, you can see the bottom one. See the tracks all nasty and everything else. So to get this screen off, I know because this is my windows. But you can see they got a little ledge here that kind of helps it, which indicates the springs are typically on this side. Push it in, pops right out. Cool. Let's get it better. So you can see all the grime, dirt, spots. Again, try it out. All right. So we got our pole. Everything's tight. We'll turn on the. Look at that. Look at that. Jeez, and Pete. That's a lot of pressure. We got one stream and one. Something's wrong with this one. So I'm gonna turn this down. There you go. We just need a little flow. And that's also gonna save on your resin. So I just watch videos, guys. I'm no pro at this. I just watch a bunch of videos. People say they wet the windows. Wet the tracks. And they come in, scrub your sides. Again, he's being really dirty, so even the tracks are dirty. She'll get that good. Some wife don't hire another window cleaner. and then you come back and just rinse. Again, this is the whole purpose of this is a spot-free rinse without doing a bunch of drying, squeegeeing. I'm not trying to do all that. I'm just trying to make sure you get all underneath there good. Okay, so we'll test it out here and see if I did a good enough job. Okay, see, this is where that valve would be nice. Shut it off right there. All right, so let's check it out real quick. You have to let it dry. So we're gonna let it dry spot free. There's a bunch of debris in here. Don't worry about that. I'm just worried about the glass right now. I'm trying to figure that out. So I'm gonna let this dry. In the meantime, I'll probably go spray my screen. I'm gonna just let this dry and let's see what happens. It's already kind of dry and pretty nice. I still see some grime on here though. So anyway, we'll see. So let that dry, but in the meantime, it's kind of hard for me to give a review of the kit. I haven't really used it, and this is the window, about half dried. As you can tell, look at that, spotless. That's crazy how that works. Phenomenal. I think is what I'm gonna do is get like a little brush, you know, so I can brush the tracks maybe. You know, again, this is all new to me, so excuse me, I'm trying to figure it all out. But I just wanted to really see the spot-free finish, and then I'll perfect my my process as we progress with it, but loving it. Good adder, I think. Nice little system. And, you know, if business picks up on this segment of the business, I'll upgrade to a bigger system. I even found a kit online that you can do like they sell all the components separately. You can make you a trailer thing, but, you know, 200-300 feet of this hose and a reel. But, you know, you're stuck to a trailer at that point. I like the mobile system just because you don't need your trailer for this, right? You know, you can get the cart, and, you know, with the 3-stage, it's got the carbon filter, or the DI and the RO. This is just a DI. So, but again, for my area, that's really all I need. So it looking good. I did figure out something, just, you know, as I was washing that other window. What I did when I was done with the window, I just kinked the hose. It's probably not the best thing to do, but it stopped the water temporarily so I can get back to the valve and turn it off. I can see myself adding a valve at some point, you know, in the very near future. This is, I think, a 5/16 line. So I'm gonna call John Lee, see what he has. And I know they got the valves that you could put in line, and you pull it, and it, you know, it turns it on and off, which is kind of cool. They're like $100 though, just for that little valve. But anyway, guys and girls, I think this is the final product. Got a few little specs, but it dried up for the most part. As you can tell, that thing is just clear. Put the screen in and wash the screen off. It's supposed to go up. There you go. You see the bottom too. Clear, and no spots. The thing looks amazing from the inside as well. So I'm gonna just probably leave that up so I can get that view. All right, guys, that's it for the review. So far, impressed. Gonna get it set up, and we're gonna try to get some additional business. So I do have a job on the books for window cleaning. I don't know how bad they are. So once we get out there, we'll determine if we need to soft wash it first and then come back with the DI and just kind of rinse it off, or we just do the DI. So anyway, appreciate the likes, subs, calls, comments. Keep them coming. Peace.